The top 5 best espresso machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine. After thorough testing and evaluation, the Breville Barista Express Impress emerged as my top choice, hands down. Its impressive performance and user-friendly features make it a standout option for any espresso enthusiast or frequent coffee-at-home consumer. Setting up the machine was a breeze, taking only 15 minutes from start to finish. Filling the water tank, soaking the filter, attaching the hopper, and adding the beans were also straightforward and easy tasks, thanks to the well-written instruction manual and user-friendly quick setup sheet. Recommendation number 2. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Stilosa is an excellent option for anyone on a budget. With its simple mechanics and easy setup process, it's equal parts affordable and reliable. Setting up the machine was quick and straightforward, and its interface is simple and easy to operate, consisting of just one knob and 4 settings. The Stilosa also requires the use of a separate grinder. Alternatively, you can use pre-ground beans, and both the single and double cup filter baskets are pressurized to help ensure that the machine achieves adequate bar pressure for good extraction. I was disappointed to find that the instructions didn't make mention of the correct dosage. Recommendation number 3. Rancilio Silvia Espresso Machine. This popular traditional style semi-automatic espresso machine is built to last. Its strong linear designed housing is constructed of an iron frame and stainless steel side panels. Built with Rancilio's commercial grade group head for excellent heat stability and premium extraction quality. Features a patented ergonomic 58mm portafilter for superb extraction. These are the same portafilters used on Rancilio commercial machines. The single boiler of the Silvia has the largest volume capacity of any home machine in its class, holding 0.3 liters. Recommendation number 4. Jura E8 Automatic Espresso Machine. The new Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Center will now prepare 17 programmed specialties including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, café barista, americano, espresso doppio, macchiato, corta doux, latte macchiato, flat white, portion of milk foam and lungo at a touch. The professional aroma grinder ensures 12.2% more aroma and consistently high grind quality so that flavors unfold to perfection throughout the entire service life of the grinder. The pulse extraction process, PEP, ensures maximum flavor for short specialties. Recommendation number 5. Wacaco Picapresso Portable Espresso Maker Bundled. With ultra-fine grind, the Picapresso produces emblematic creamy shots with dense flavors and stunning aromas. Picapresso is the most compact and pro-oriented of our portable espresso machines. Thanks to the wide commercial coffee basket and super-fine coffee grounds, Picapresso produces an extraction akin to a Levo espresso machine, rich, syrupy, and balanced. The authentic cafe-quality espresso will rival any expensive high-end machine. This specialty coffee espresso machine features a naked portafilter,